lots of crying, lots of pang-e-emote. So, baliwan, umasa kayo pag-uwi niyo po ng bahay, mamaya bipolar tayong lahat. Okay, thank you very much. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, everyone!
Of course, the whole cast of Call Me Mother, quick photo op
Yes,
muna.
photo op lang po. Dito sa loob.
Call Me Mother! Let's have them now take their seats and head on over to their seats.
Ayan, pwede na po tayo mag-proceed sa ating designated seat. At mag-settle down na po tayo dahil in a few minutes.
Ayan. Okay, to all of our friends from the media, our supporters, please take your seats and find your seats. Mamaya po, we will still have time to see our artists. We would like to ask all of our friends from the media, our supporters, to please take your seats dahil magsisimula na ang special screening natin of Call Me Mother. Okay, so again, please find your seats. Yes, please settle down. Please find your seats. Yes, sa mga supporters po dyan na may mga banners, you guys can lay them now para, yes, please take your seats. Magsisimula na po ang screening of Call Me Mother. Friends of the media, we would really appreciate it if you guys can find your seats tonight. Ingatan po natin. All of our phones, our valuables, our wallets, please take care of them. Mother, now we would like to ask everyone to please stand for our opening prayer. Of course, we love and Films, Red Sandico. Thank you, Salome. Ay, sana! Ay, si Ate Mama na Marshall.
Organization
Karma.
70.
Toroy,
Hi, Day.
One more, 1, 2, 3.
Hindi naman for Milok Cloud po.
Okay, look here, go lang.
Hi, sir po.
For Milok Cloud po. 1, 2, 3. There you have it.
Sa akin naman to, first party. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, last
Okay,
one.
let's go na.
Let's go po. Dito na, tara, dito na. Ay, sana all.
Ayan, mama mo.
Yung ano pa ng bata? Luka?
Ay, Sam.
Oo, ito naman kayo ito. Dati, sponsor, yan, sponsor. baliktad. Yun.
Ayaw mag-picture? Tangay na.
Thank you. Congrats! Oh, grabe naman. Sabi dyan.
Galing sa amin ni Ate.
Thank you. Nagustuhan mo ba? Mama,
Pwede pa picturean ka.
Ay, sige.
Picturean daw, picturean. Thank you. Ay, ibibigay mo yan kay River sa iyo. Ito pa daw. Wait lang, isa lang.
Pwede yung picture rin siya.
Wait lang, wait lang. Paano? Sige na, abot ko. Ay, wait lang. Hindi ba naayos pa yung isang logo? Ito pa daw, River. River.
Wow.
Lahat-lahat. Pa-picture daw yun. Oh, kanina daw.
Wow. Dami.
Merry Christmas po. Okay na po.
Thank you guys. Oy, bye-bye. Ingat ka.
River, pa-picture. Ay, pa-picture kami.
1, 2, 3. See you sa 28. Ano ko black screening?
Wait, pa-selfie naman si Ray. Ray, selfie ka. Selfie ka.